I don't know how or why, but this I'm told. A little caged mouse fell in a bowl of milk, swam back and forth, could not escape. The milk was liquid, drowning was her fate. All frantic motion, where will she be safe? She's paddling here and there, she keeps her faith. Her work was not in vain, I'm pleased to alter. She swam so long that milk turned into butter. And for a moment you could see her standing there. Then she left off and ran into her lair. My dearest one, if you are treading that same bowl, be patient, stoic, don't forget your goal.